Guys, June 26, 2023. Today I had a call from a lady. Her AC's not working. She says she's got 3 units, but I don't know about that. She might have 1 unit and 3, she says all 3 units aren't working. So she must have zone dampers or something. I don't think all 3 units wouldn't be working. But anyway, we're going to go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with her. No AC call. That time of year it's starting to warm up a little bit here and calls are coming in. I'll try to get you some shots over there if I find out what's going on. Man, this roads are flipping atrocious. I've been working on this area for a while, digging it up and patching it and digging it up and patching it. Crazy. Really a mess. We'll try to get you some shots over there. I had to leave Miss Molly home playing Catch Me If You Can around the flipping coffee table, driving me crazy. She usually does enough to piss me off, then she runs downstairs and gets ready to go, but I mean, I've had enough of it. Catch Me If You Can. Like it's a flipping game, you know? 10 minutes running around a coffee table. Little dum-dum. Leave her home. We've got time to play games. Compressor's not running. Fan running. But it's a bad capacitor. Something. Man, they're giving me a fucking hard time here. I don't want to come off. What's the capacitor reading? I could pull this red one off, I guess. Nothing disconnected. I gotta get that red one off without ruining shit. Should be able to check that, see what we got for reading on it. I don't think it's working. Microfarads, we should get, that should be like a 50 or something. $43. That's okay. That's probably alright, is it? 43. Could be out of gas too. Yeah, it's a 45.5, so that should be fine. We'll see if the compressor starts. See if there's even any gas in the flipping thing. It's one of those that might need a hot start kit on it. This is 410A. See if there's any flipping gas in this thing. There won't be any gas in it. It doesn't seem like the compressor was running. It sounds like the compressor's starting. She's low. See this at 2? Low on gas. It's a 410A. I'm gonna have to add gas to it. She's low on gas, mama. I got some juice here. We're gonna give it a go. We're gonna juice it up for now. I gotta come back on a cooler day and check for leaks on the evaporator. Talk to the husband. He wants to put some Freon in it. We'll start it up and we'll give it some how you doing. This don't start dropping. It shouldn't be frozen. And, I'm gonna give it some. We're gonna make sure this starts dropping down. We know the coil's frozen, which I don't think it is. You see that? We're bringing up this subcooling here. This thing is, it's a 15. Bring this subcooling up to about 9. Really gotta go by superheat on this. It's a Goodman 410A. It might be a 2015, so that's 8 years old. Wow, it's fucking crazy hot out. Gotta bring the superheat down, see 40. That down a little. I'm bringing the superheat down. Anything above 100 on 410 is good, so 136 on the suction. That ain't looking too bad. We'll let that run for a bit. Alright, so our superheat at 20. Suction at 150, which is really pretty high for the suction. Subcooling at 7. I'm gonna leave it right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's good right there. Sometimes these Schrader cores will leak and they'll bubble up. If that's a leak, you'll see it. It leak and bubble up. it's not, see it? It's fine. Leaks in the evaporator, guarantee that. Probably only put a couple of pounds in it, nothing crazy. Nice and warm here. Eureka! 4 pounds I put in there. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of gas, man. 4 pounds. Not good. Not good. Not good.